take time to film a really quick video of a journal I just finished yesterday. I made it for a friend. She commissioned it from me, so I went ahead and got it together for her. It's a beautiful journal, I think. The spine is about 4 inches. I can never measure those right. It's about 4 inches. And the journal measures about 9 by 4, 9 by 6. I'll leave the exact measurements in the description box below. But I think it's about 9 by 6. That's our normal size of a book. If I sound weird, sorry. I haven't made a video in so long, so I sound weird. But anyway, it has tabs on the side, and the cover is like so. I just put some collage on the cover and a little bit of glitter glue, some nice braid on the edge right here, and those purple hearts that are kind of shimmery. On the spine you see some lace and some beautiful little bling, and a pretty white rose with a little bit of ribbon on the side, and some pearls. And on the back it's kind of plain. I just put a little collage on there. So you can see it's quite chunky. I love a chunky book. I tried not to make it too chunky, but I couldn't really help myself. Excuse me. Ooh. Anyway, so let's go right in. On the inside pocket, you see I put a couple of journal cards for her to use. And right here is a pocket. I used the journal kit Love Story by Dreams Etc. And I also printed out her Love Story Part 2. And I didn't do it until after I finished this, but it's just so beautiful. So I used some of the ephemera from that pack in here. So here's those pages. And of course, I coffee dyed everything. And I stamped all the pages as usual. Here's an envelope that she can tuck some stuff in there. Put some washi tape on. And there's a banner that does not come up. I just glued it down. Here's some of those petal pockets. I think those are so beautiful. I just clipped it to the side. I went ahead and put some pretty note paper in so she can write on. There's a dictionary page. There's a pocket right there. Part of a doily. And I did some decoupage. I love doing that. I think that really adds to the journal. Envelope in the center. This journal has 4 signatures, as per usual. Bit of a doily there. So no little tuck spots you can use. Dictionary page. I really enjoyed making this book. It's funny, I had to kind of fit it into everything else that I was doing, but I'm glad I went ahead and got it finished. The other half of that envelope, I think it came out so beautiful. I know she's going to really enjoy it. Tuck spot right there. And that's her first signature. Another beautiful petal pocket. So hopefully everyone is doing well. Like I said, I have not made a video in literally some months. I've been very busy doing what I do. I'm working on a MFA in creative writing right now. And I have been trying to finish the LSAT for about 3 years now. I was one of the first classes. I was the first class who took the digital version of it a couple of years ago. And we were given the option to take it again. And I did. And there have been a couple of glitches, especially with COVID. So long story short, I had to take it again. We were given the option to like get a higher score if we took it again. And then COVID hit, and that threw a wrench into everything, so it was postponed. So finally I was able to take it yesterday, and that was an exciting adventure. If you've ever taken a test like that, or that specific test, you understand. It was freaking brutal. So yeah, I'm just fingers crossed. Scores released on the 29th of April. I'm looking forward to see how I did. I figure I can't do any worse than the first time, so there's that. Anyway, that's why I've been so busy. And then I had to do my practicum for my creative writing degree, and that was exciting, very intense, a lot of work. There's an envelope right there. And I finished that up, and I have to work on my teaching packet along with other work I have to do. So I have been very busy and very stressed. It's funny, people talk about that they're busy and they can't do, whatever. But I do feel like I took care of everything I was supposed to do, and quite a lot of things I did do. So you make time for what you want. That was the end of signature 3. Excuse me, but yeah, I am a firm believer you make time for what you want, and you just prioritize what you want to do. That's a pocket, not a pocket, it's a tuck spot there. So yeah, so when you see people glorifying being busy, maybe they honestly are busy, but I don't know. I just feel like you could like totally prioritize things and make lists. I made lots of lists. I had a huge study guide, what's the word? Like a tracker thing for me studying for the test. I had lots of notes for what I was going to do for my practicum. I just really, you know, you have to give up some stuff to achieve other things. So I didn't have very much free time. I like this part here, it's pretty. So I'm looking forward to having a little bit more free time. And so, yeah, I think this is so pretty and that paper beautiful. I'm going to list the paper pad and everything in there. And here's a pocket at the back. I did not put anything in there. I don't know, maybe I should. I don't know, I might. I don't know. I like it when journals are like full. It makes them look pretty. I was watching Tsunami Rose's video last night after I finished looking at it. And I was watching how she decorates her pages. She decorates every page. And I ought to start doing that too. Because it makes it so pretty. And I bought a journal from someone on Etsy. And it was just so gorgeous. I'm trying to decide if I want to write it in or not. Or just use it for inspiration. Because it's just freaking amazing. Yeah. I'm saying too many ums. I need to stop. But anyway, isn't it pretty? I think she's going to really like it. I know she's going to really like it. I'm so glad to be back making journals and making videos because I have been away. And I've just been so busy. We glorify busy. We think that being busy is awesome, which maybe it is. I don't know. But I like to be less busy. I like to just kind of take a breath and just do what I want to do. And looking forward to one of these days when I can actually do that. But in the meantime, here's my journal. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to get it all ready and sent off to her, and I'm sure she will be excited as well as I am. And I hope everyone who's watching this has a wonderful day. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'm going to start making more journals. I made some more paper when I made the paper for this, when I dyed the paper for this. So I'm going to start making journals again, keep making some more videos for you guys to enjoy. And I'm really enjoying the content other creators are putting out, so please keep doing that. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. If you like the video, please click like. And that's about it, I guess. Have a very happy Monday and a great start of the week. Bye-bye.